Hello Pirates, I'm going to show you our new intervention spreadsheet. Please follow the directions that are on this first tab. They may change as we find things out, as we have a lot of users using this spreadsheet, so please follow those and also try not to break the spreadsheet. What's happening in our spreadsheet is that there is this master list of our students and their advisory teacher that's getting pulled to these different tabs for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And so if there needs to be any edits to this master list, you are going to click this feedback form and give us that feedback, and on the back end we will fix that for everyone. If you try to fix it yourself, you may break the formulas and the spreadsheet, and we don't want that to happen because we want intervention and extension to be successful for our students here at Cypress. So you can pretend like you never even saw that list tab. You're just going to focus on our Tuesday science tab, Wednesday, which is our ELA priority, and Thursday, which is our math priority. So let's go ahead and take a peek at Tuesday, and in here you can see if we click on a student's name, there's a formula, and if we click on the advisory teacher, there's a formula. That's why we're asking you not to do any editing in columns A and columns E, because we don't want to break those formulas. You are okay to be writing in columns B, C, and D. So let's pretend like I'm Mr. Dudley. It's a science priority day. It's Tuesday. And so I want to find some of my students. I can do that by going Control F, and then I can start searching to find in the sheet. So let's say I want to find Yasmin, and now I can see there's only 2 of them on this spreadsheet. So if I don't want to keep on writing her last name, I can click the down arrow to find the other Yasmin, and I see her right here, and I want to pull her to my room 501 for a physics lab extension that we're going to have on Tuesday. And so that is done, and let's say I want to find another student. So I'm going to go ahead and look for Logan. It looks like there's quite a few Logans, so I'm just going to start looking for Logan K because I want to find Logan Kelly. And here he is, and so I'm just going to write down my room number, and then in the comments it's just anything that the student might need to know, like bring this worksheet, bring your laptop, or for this one I want them to know that they're doing that fun physics lab that we have. And that is how you request students. You, on Mondays, are going to show students where they're going. And on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, if you have pulled students, that's when you will be marking intervention attendance. So let's go ahead and sort this column so we can see what kids are going to what room numbers on Tuesday for interventions or extensions. So to do that, you're going to select column B, you're going to right click, and then select sort sheet A to Z. And when we do that, you'll want to scroll to the top so you can see them. So you can see we've got kids going to room 304, 501, 629, and 635. So we can see Mr. Dudley is pulling students from Whitaker, White, and Ybarra's advisory to come to his class on Tuesday for that physics lab. And so when a student gets there, you're going to mark the intervention attendance X for present, and when you do an X, it will automatically highlight the student so that we can easily see that Sandy's advisory student successfully made it to the physics lab where they were supposed to go. So all it is an X, and it will automatically highlight. If you want to be able to sort back for the advisory, you'll select the advisory column and then sort sheet A to Z, and then we're back to alphabetical as it was before. So what we're asking you to do when you're done looking at the sorts is to press this exit button and to not save. This is a temporary filter that should only be affecting your view and not others' views. We've tried saving the filter view, and that's more likely to break the formulas. So the easiest thing is just going to be don't save, and then it will take us back to this traditional view that everyone else is seeing for this spreadsheet. We want to try practicing this spreadsheet next week, showing students on Monday where they would be going Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So what we're asking you to do is to pull 2 students that you actually have into your advisory class on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and on Thursday, because we want to see if this system actually works, if the marking the X for present is working. So again, you're going to pick 2 of your students that you actually have that are going to come down during advisory time to your advisory class. You don't have to have an intervention or extension ready for them if you don't want to, even if they're just working on their homework or their silent sustained reading in there. That is totally okay, but we're wanting to do a mini full test of the spreadsheet to hopefully work out kinks if there are any, so that we can get this rolling the final week. Thank you, Pirates.